You hit it, didn't go down.
I'm kidding. Where is your plate? I don't know. One of the legs broke off last week.
It's got to be because you're not holding the gun tight enough. That happens when you don't hold the gun tight enough. They call it limp wristing. Again. See, watch when I shoot it. Doesn't happen. It's because I'm holding the gun tighter. You're letting it flip back too much, and then the slide comes back and it's catching that empty casing. See, it didn't happen that time. Just hold it tight. Lock your elbows. There you go. That's better. Nice. Now it's empty.